My name is Derrik Martin. I am sales manager for Can-Cro installation. What makes Can-Cro unique is the quality of every installation. All our employees take pride in their work. The other crews all have their own equipment, and we also have a boom lift to make some of the jobs that are higher safer. Problems we were having before the DoublePro was freezing in the gutters, deforming the gutters, and overflow of the gutters. In the wintertime, the DoublePro is definitely an advantage over the snow and ice conditions. The DoublePro solves several problems, keeping the gutters clear. It also offers ultimate strength in the wintertime. With the climates in Canada, you need all the strength you can get to keep your gutters strong, fast, and holding to your house. We can now offer a 360-degree warranty selling the DoublePro.